Pecco Bagnaia's gone down, and surely that is World Championship hopes extinguished permanently now for Pecco Bagnaia. We can see there Nakagami on the inside. There is Bagnaia. Oh, yeah. Nakagami lost the front on the brakes going in. It was a real small clip on the back of Pecco Bagnaia. It was enough, though, to skittle the Italian out. And poor Alex Rins on the outside got wiped out. Somebody's gone off. Somebody's gone way off. I think Alex Rins has gone off. And the double chicane, he's gone down. This time around, there's no saving it for Alex Rins. This is horrible. Well, he lost control there over 300 kilometres an hour. How scary! First goal. Miller on the front end, loses the front, trying to find a way through at the inside of Juan Mir. What's happened to Marquez here? He tips it in. Whoa! Wow! Oh, Steve! Oh, he's down! Wow! Fabio Quartararo did not expect that at all. Now then, that could be huge. Fabio Quartararo heading hands. Bastianini, he's gone down at turn number 6. That could be a nasty one because he got his left leg trapped under the bike. Oh no, he's gone down! Pecco Bagnaia has crashed for the second time on qualifying day here in Sepang. Pecco Bagnaia